I eat rice every day. I ate rice yesterday. She goes to school by bus. She went to school by bus yesterday. They play cricket in the evening. They played cricket in the evening. He reads a book at night. He read a book last night. We watch TV after dinner. We watched TV after dinner. I write notes in my notebook. I wrote notes in my notebook. She sings very well. She sang very well. He drinks tea in the morning. He drank tea in the morning. They walk to the park. They walked to the park. We learn English every day. We learned English every day. I opened the door slowly. I opened the door slowly. She cooks food for the family. She cooked food for the family. He drives his car carefully. He drove his car carefully. They help their parents at home. They helped their parents at home. We clean our classroom. We cleaned our classroom. I buy vegetables from the market. I bought vegetables from the market. She teaches English to students. She taught English to students. He sleeps early at night. He slept early at night. They visit their grandparents. They visited their grandparents. We speak English in class. We spoke English in class. I wake up early every day. I woke up early yesterday. She runs in the park. She ran in the park. He fixes the chair. He fixed the chair. They listen to music. They listened to music. We work together as a team. We worked together as a team. I wash my hands before eating. I washed my hands before eating. She draws beautiful pictures. She drew beautiful pictures. He calls his friend every day. He called his friend yesterday. They travel by train. They traveled by train. We enjoy our free time. We enjoyed our free time. I close the window at night. I closed the window at night. She smiles at everyone. She smiled at everyone. He meets his teacher. He met his teacher. They carry heavy bags. They carried heavy bags. We start work at 9 o'clock. We started work at 9 o'clock. I answer the question clearly. I answered the question clearly. She forgets her keys often. She forgot her keys. He catches the ball easily. He caught the ball easily. They study for exams. They studied for exams. We finish our homework on time. We finished our homework on time. I see my friend every morning. I saw my friend yesterday morning. She gives water to the plants. She gave water to the plants. He takes a bath in the evening. He took a bath in the evening. They sit near the window. They sat near the window. We make our own decisions. We made our own decisions. I feel happy when I help others. I felt happy when I helped others. She keeps her room clean. She kept her room clean. He leaves home early. He left home early. They build small houses. They built small houses. We choose the best answer. We chose the best answer.